Hey guys, today I'm gonna replace the spark plugs on this Mercedes from 2002 W203 generation. First step is to clean this top cover and prevent dirt going inside the cylinders while I'm removing the spark plugs. Then with a 5mm hex I'm going to undo these 3 bolts which hold the cover in place. Now, at least from this point, make sure that the engine is cold enough in order to touch it, especially when you work in this area, which is the hottest point of the engine. Then with a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to remove the electric connectors from the coil packs, like so. Next, with the E8 Torx, I'm going to remove the bolts which holds the coil pack in place. Now I can just pull out the coil pack like that. Next, with a 16mm magnetic spark plug socket and an extension, I will slowly introduce it in there and undo the spark plug, and it should come out like that. It's not that much covered in black carbon or oil. There is no sign of any oil on top of here, which is good. It means that the piston rings are okay. But in my case, I just do the preventive maintenance and I want to replace the spark plugs anyway, even though the old one doesn't look so bad. So I'm going to introduce it inside the socket. This magnetic socket will keep it in there, and slowly introduce it in, trying to aim for the hole and hand tight it at the beginning. Then of course tie the rest of the way with the wrench. Now I can take the coil pack and match the bolt holes. Just press it in there and tight back the bolts. One trick I use to not over tight them is to hold the wrench from this position and tight it as much as you can. And that way you will not over tie the bolts. If you hold it from here, of course you can go more and you might damage the threads. And of course connect back the wires. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the next 3 of them. Now all the new spark plugs are in position, the coilovers are on, tight it back. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the engine. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel and you like cars like me, make sure that you subscribe. And until next time, take care and I will see you soon.